Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever we are doing in the math class. So children, in today's class we will continue with Math Steps book, chapter 2, 4-digit number. Yes children, we are doing chapter 2 since many days, and in today's class we will do page number 25, question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, keep this in mind that whatever is being done in the book, we are doing those questions first, okay? And the one which have to be done in the copy, those questions we will do later on. See children, in today's class we will study the expanded form of the number. We will change the number into expanded form and compact form, okay? And we will also use different signs, that is greater sign, smaller sign and equals to signs, looking at the 4-digit number. So let us see what we are going to do in today's class. In today's class children, we are going to do 4-digit numbers. Number 6, write the numbers in expanded form. Fill in the blanks, fill in by using greater, smaller or equals to sign, that is number 7. Number 8, you have to tick the correct number, greatest number, and number 9 you have to circle the smallest number, and number 10 you have to tick the greatest number and circle the smallest number. So children, we will do till number 10. So in today's class we will do 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let us proceed to our class children.
Now children, let us solve number 6. So I have already told that in number 6 you have to write the numbers in the expanded form. So you can see number A, 8123. So you can see 8 is in thousand position, 1 is in hundred position, 2 is in 10th position and 3 is in ones position. So we will expand the number using plus sign, as you know. So when I expand this number, it will be 8000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. In this way you will expand. Number B also, 1000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 2, right? So children, next is 3070. So you can see that there is 0 in ones position and there is 0 in hundred position. So 3 in 1000 and 7 in tens. Now let us expand the number. How you will expand? Yes, 3000 plus there is 0. So we will write 30 in hundred position plus 70 plus 0. So 3070. In this way we will expand. Now next is number D children. It is 5100. So 5 is there in thousand position. So 5000 plus 1 is there in hundred position. 100 plus 00 plus 0. In this way you will expand. See children, now E and F you will expand yourself. It is your home assignment, okay? Now children, let us do number 7. Fill in by using greater sign, smaller sign and equals to sign or equals to sign. I have told you already the difference between greater sign and smaller sign. The number which is greater, like for example this is 10 and it is 20, okay? So we will open the mouth towards the greater number. See, I have opened the mouth. Where the mouth is open, I have put that sign towards the greater number, and the one where the 1 point lies, this will be towards the smaller number. So now let us do for A. See, it is 3030 and it is 3300. You can see there is 3 in hundred position. Here there is 3 in tens position. So obviously this one is greater than this one. So I will be putting greater sign towards 3300. Now next is 5410. This is 5401. Yes, here 0 is in ones position. Here 0 is in tens position. So 410 is greater than 401. So I will be putting greater sign towards 5410 and smaller sign towards 5401. Now number C, 5678 and 5768. We know that 5000 here face value is 6. Here in 100 position face value is 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So I'll be putting greater sign towards 5768. In the same manner, children, 2345, 3452. We know that 3000 is greater than 2000. So I'll be using greater sign towards 3452. Now next, children, 4002 and 4020. So we know that 4020 is greater than 4002. So I'm using greater sign towards 4020. F, G, H, I is your home assignment. You have to do all this thing in your book only, children, so it is easier. Now children, in number 8 you have to take the greatest number. So you can see the number given in 8 is 6050, 650, 5600, 5060, 6005. So you can see that 6000 is the greatest number. Yes, 6 is the greater number in 1000 position, and after that 6000 is here also, but here 5 is in tens position, here 5 is in ones position. So obviously 6050 is the greatest number. Now here 3456, 4563, 5463, 3564, 4653, 5643. So children, the greater value is 5000. Yes, 5 is in the 1000 position. So these two numbers are greater than other number. Here you can see 6 in the 100 position, and here 4 in the 100 position. So 5643 is the greatest number. So please take 5643. Now see, children, you will do it yourself. Now next, children, number 9, you have to circle the smallest number. So here you can see 9, 2010, 1020, 2100, 1200 or 1200, 1122. You can see that 1020 is the smallest number. Yes, because it is 1000, here 11, 1100, here 1200, here only 1220. So this is the smallest number. So I am circling the smallest number. Next, number B, 5460, 4605, 4506, 654, 5046, 4056. It is the easiest one, children. You can see all the numbers are in 1000 position except the this number 654. So we know that it is in 100 position till 100%. So 654 is the smallest number among all this number. Now 9C is your home assignment. Now children, you will tick the greatest number and circle the least or smallest number. You have to tick the greatest number in number 10 and you have to circle the least number. So 10A, 1357, 3571, 1537, 3175, 3517. So you can see that 3571 is the greatest number. Yes, 3000, 3000, 3000. Among this 3000 also, it is 571, it is 175, it is 517. So it is the greatest number. So I have ticked the greatest number. Now the smallest number is 1357, because here 1537, we know that 3 is smaller than 5. So I am circling the smallest number, that is 1357. Now B, children, 1002, 2010, 1200 or 1200, 2100, 2001, 12,020. See, children, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these number are 4-digit number except 12,020. Yes, so this is 5-digit number. So obviously it is the greatest among all the number. Now the smallest number will be 1002, because you can see all the face value in the 1000 position is 2, 2, 2. So these are not the smaller one. Next, the face value here is 1 and here is 1, right? But here 1002, here 1200 or 1200. So this will be the smallest number. So let me circle the smallest number. Now number C, 4630, 4360, 4063, 4603, 4036, 4306. You can see that all the face value is 4. right, in 1000 position. Now let us see the number in 100 position. Here 6, here 3, here 0, here 6, here 0, here 3. So 6 is here also and here also. But next 4630, here 4603. So this is the greatest among all the numbers. So 4630 is the greatest, and the smallest is 4000. You can see 4360. It is not smaller. It is the next smaller number. 4603, next smaller number. This is next smaller number. After that 4306. After that 4063. After that 4036. So 4036 is the smallest number in the given number. So children, you will do D and E as your home assignment. Okay children, so in today's class we have completed till number 10. Now from number 11 we have to do in the copy, and we have left some sums which you need to do in copy. So in tomorrow's class I will be dealing with the sums which you have to copy in your math copy. So this much for today's class children. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.